Morphose, Hollywood au ralenti, on connaît maintenant les conséquences de la crise du Covid sur le cinéma américain. Mais il y a un effet que personne n'attendait, la naissance d'un genre, les films de confinement. Ils sont un signe de leur temps, un témoignage sur écran de ce que nous sommes en train de vivre, vous et moi. Des films dont l'histoire est essentiellement racontée sur Zoom, qui se passent donc en grande partie en intérieur et intègrent la pandémie dans leur scénario. Un sous-genre né justement dans le genre, puisque c'est dans le cinéma fantastique et d'épouvante que l'on trouve le plus de petits malins capables de se débrouiller en tenant compte des limitations financières, matérielles et maintenant pandémiques. Les thrillers d'horreur à Zoom pullulent sur les plateformes depuis le confinement, des films comme Safer at Home, dont nous voyons ici quelques images, ou le premier de tous, Host, de Rob Savage, un film issu d'une bonne blague.
Like everyone, I was hanging out every day with my friends on Zoom, and we were doing Zoom happy hours and quizzes and all this kind of stuff. And one day I decided to, as you do, to pretend that I'd been eaten by a zombie live on a Zoom call. Not like the next. So I set up this elaborate prank where I went into my attic and a zombie jumped out at me and filmed the whole thing. And then we put that onto Twitter, and it ended up blowing up in this big way. We got millions and millions of views, and it got shared all over the place. And we got people from the industry calling up and were asking us, can you do a longer one of these, because we might not be able to shoot anything else for the rest of the year. So it might have to be, might have to get used to making films on Zoom.
Boy, how many asses have you got?
Piss off.
Et Hollywood s'y habitue. Le film de confinement a même atteint un autre niveau avec le bien nommé Lockdown. Ce coup-ci, c'est un réalisateur de tout premier plan, Doug Liman, l'homme derrière Jason Bourne ou Edge of Tomorrow, et un casting de stars dont Anna Thaoué, qui s'essaye à ce drôle de nouveau genre. Et Liman, qui n'a peur de rien, choisit de faire un film de cambriolage en plein confinement, bourré de scènes de Zoom. D'où une première question en interview, une question inconcevable il y a à peine un an.
Yeah, it is.
Il y a quelque chose de très méta à faire cette interview sur ce film-là en Zoom.
Oui, non, c'est très méta. Mais les règles du monde ont changé. Et en fait, Lockdown, c'est le premier film qui est dans le nouvel monde. I'm very proud of having had the opportunity to sort of be the first post-pandemic film in that it's not using Zoom as a gadget. It's just acknowledging that Zoom is now part of our lives. And that's it. It's just part of our lives. And now move on.
How's Linda?
She's somewhere in the house.
Is there some type of issue?
We are fine.
Why do artists like you need to express what they felt during this lockdown on a movie?
That's how I make movies. I have experiences, and then I want to channel them into something. We're all going through experiences today that are so outrageous and beyond anything we ever thought we'd be living through, that we had so much raw material and we needed a place to put it, because it's the emotional impact of the lockdown that is so compelling.
C'est le moins qu'on puisse dire. En regardant Lockdown, impossible de ne pas s'identifier au personnage. Bien sûr, on ne va pas aller voler des diamants dans un grand magasin. Enfin, pas moi, mais vous faites ce que vous voulez. Mais les frustrations des personnages, leur sensation d'enfermement, leur ras-le-bol, nous l'avons tous connu. Lockdown est à ce niveau bien davantage qu'un film.
Do you feel that this movie is kind of a sign of its time?
Well, that certainly was an aim to capture some of it. Somebody earlier in the day said it feels like a time capsule. And Doug has said, in a number of years, someone like Steven Spielberg will make the look back, and they'll interpret the entire experience and they'll win 20 Oscars, and that version will be valid. But there is something about trying to tell this story from within the chaos.
I wanted Lockdown to be of the moment. I mean, part of shooting the film right now during the pandemic, because we could have written the script now, you know, capture this moment and then like wait for it to end and shoot it quote normally. But I thought let's really make a film that's 100% in, that is not only about this moment in time, but we're shooting it during the lockdown, and that we are living it and breathing it while we're making it. It really is a special movie and a chance to hold a mirror up to what we're all going through.
En effet, même en temps de Covid, même en temps de confinement, même en temps de lockdown, le cinéma tient sa place, celle du miroir de notre monde. Espérons juste que l'image que nous y voyons changera le plus vite possible.
Who'd have thought a month ago we'd be doing this?
Not me.
And I'm feeling good.